Xiaomi is working on the 14 Ultra smartphone. The colors, multi-touch. Size 6.7 inches. Resolution 1440 by 3200 pixels, 521 ppi. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Extra features 120 Hz, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, 1300 nits, HBM, 2600 nits, peak. Memory built-in 256/512 GB built-in, 12/16 GB RAM. Card no. Camera main quad camera, 200 MP, dual pixel PDAF, ultra-wide, plus. Front 32 MP radio. No. USB Type-C 3.2, capable. Features browser, HTML5. Messaging, SMS, threaded view, MMS, email, pushmail, IM. Games, built-in plus downloadable. Torch. Battery capacity. LiPo non-removable, 5000 mAh. Fast battery charging. Price in RS coming soon, expected 274,999 rupees. Xiaomi is working on the 14 Ultra smartphone, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, the Ultra flagship. Xiaomi is working on the 14 Ultra smartphone these days. As we all know, its predecessor, the 13 series, has performed very well in the market for quite some time now, but now is the right time to meet the more powerful and latest Xiaomi 14 Ultra, which is filled with the most cutting-edge features and specifications that are available at this point in time. In light of recent rumors regarding Xiaomi's 14 Ultra, it appears that the company is very close to holding the launch event for the 14 Ultra. So for now, let's find out what it has to offer.